welcome back to this channel, and today I'm eating some fruit here. So I like watermelon, I have mangoes, and I have some grapes. So yeah. So here's some watermelon, which is very juicy and good. I love it. And here I have a small grape. Here I have a mango.
Huh?
Here's some more mangoes.
Hello.
That's my sister Jada. You should check out her 2 channels.
Mama.
Oh, you can check out her 2 channels. You want me to say it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you done?